Okay, we're going to look at proving that two triangles are equal angular. We're going to prove that they're similar, and because if we can show that, if we can match up their angles, we can say that two triangles are similar. So let's take a look at this. You've got a triangle here. It's ADE. Travel along the letters, and you'll get the triangle. Then go back to A. There we go. And how would we prove that it's similar to triangle ABC? Oh, and there's a C over there. Sorry. Angle ABC. I'll make that a bit smaller so we can see the ABC right there. How are we going to prove that? Well, all we have to do to prove it is prove that the angles match up. Well, what you can do is angle A, this triangle here, the ADE one, that little one, and the big one, ABC. A is an angle that they share. So you just write down angle A is common. That's your first step. Now, this angle where they wrote an X in the picture, that X is telling you that the angle ADE is equal to this angle C here. So you just write it down. Angle ADE is equal to angle C because in this picture it's given. Well, once you've got two angles, you've got the whole story. Because of angles in a triangle, you know the third angle must work. So now we can say triangle ADE is similar to triangle ACB. Now the order really counts. We want angle D to match up with angle C. And we know that angle A works, so angle E must be matching up with angle B as well. The order is super important for showing the angles that are equal to each other. And for when we work out the proportional things, it's important to have the order exactly right. Well, I guess we could prove that two triangles are equal angular, similar, if we could show that their sides are proportional. Well, what if you just had all these numbers and all these sides? Well, you know what you could do. If you saw the pattern, I would go, hey, this 4 over 3, that's the same fraction as 8 over 6. Now, I kind of noticed that right away. 4 goes with 3 the way 8 goes with 6. Well, 4 over 3, that looks like df over p cubed. That's 4 over 3. Now I can see that 8 over 6, that's EF over PR. That 8 over 6 is the same fraction if we divide the top and bottom by 2. Well, let's just check the other one out. There's only one left. That's this 6 and this 4.5. Well, 6 over 4.5 is 4 over 3 too. If you divide the top and bottom by 1.5, or if you put that in your calculator, you'll see that you get 4 over 3. Well, if all three sides make the same ratio, then the sides are proportional. And if the sides are proportional, then the two triangles must be similar. And the reason we write down is corresponding sides are in proportion. All three corresponding sides have to be in proportion. That's a little bit more convoluted. The one that we prove the most often is this one here, just matching up angles and sides. But we're going to be using, in the questions and in the examples, we're going to be using our circle reasons, angles in a segment or maybe exterior angle. We're going to be using different geometry circle reasons to show that angles match up. I hope this helped.